In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Weltrade. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to first create one of your trading accounts. So it could either be a real or a demo account. That's very simple. Just select the one you want, click on open new demo or real account up here, and then just select your account, the one that you want it to be. And then here you want to basically select your platform and then the account type, currency, deposit amount, and then the leverage. Click on open account and then onto your email as well as onto your screen, you'll receive your sign-in username and then the password and the server for either MT5 or MT4 over here. Now to start trading, of course, you could go ahead and use MT4 or MT5. I do have separate tutorials on how to do that, how to connect it on my channel, so if you want to know, go watch these first. But if you just want to get started with trading like very quickly, the easiest way is to just click on the web terminal here on the left hand side, and you can just click on either demo MT5 or real MT5, which will open up a terminal, the web terminal for MT5. I'm going to connect a demo account right now, so I'm going to click on demo MT5. It's going to open up inside here. There we go. And the first thing you have to do is you have to paste in your login, which usually is just going to be a long number inside your email. It may be referenced as practice account. So just type in your number over here and then the password as well. So the password is going to be something completely random. And then you could either save it or not, depending on what you want to do. Press connect to account. And this will, as you can see over here, connect to your Weltrade either demo or real account. And this is where you can now start trading by, of course, selecting whatever you want to trade. So you could go ahead and open up here and search different symbols you can trade, like Bitcoin or crypto or like whatever you want to do. Basically just click on it, and whenever you find something you want to trade, you can create a new order up top by clicking new order, and then you can select the volume, you can select stop loss, take profit. You could also select your order type, whatever you want to do. You can add a comment, and then you can just buy or sell by market or by any other order type, and then just like that you've successfully started trading on Weltrade. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.